Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we see that how to create a database, how to create a table and how to see the table and how to drop the table. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to alter the table and we are also going to insert some values in our table. So first of all, I'll already drop my table. First of all, I need to create the table again. For creating table again, I'll just simply select this line again and execute it. And now you can see that it's successfully. And now I'll show you again. So here is our table, ID, name and class. Now we're going to use alter command. Alter command is basically used for modify your table. If you want to add some row in your table or column, so we use alter command. Alter table and then give the table name, add, and then write a column name whatever you want to add. For example, I want to add roll number, so I'll just simply write roll number and then give the type of the roll number, so I'm giving int. So just simply select this line and then execute it. So here command is successfully, then again select this line and then now you can see that ID, name, class and roll number. Now there are 4 columns. Now, if you want to insert a value in your table, so simply write a into, insert into employee, and then write the columns name, ID, name, class, roll number, and then bracket close, and then write values. And then now we are going to give the values. ID, for ID we use 1, then comma, and name is a string data type. For string data types we use a single brackets, so in single brackets write Sandhya, then bracket close, then again comma, and then write class. So I'll just simply write 10 and roll number is 100, and then bracket close. Simply select this line hole and execute it. Now you see that one row affected. Select this line again and then execute it. Now you can see that our column is filled. ID is 1, name is Sandhya, class is 10 and roll number is 100. So similarly, if you want to add more columns, so simply add a value. On there is one more method to adding values in this column. One method is that we write a column name and then give the values, and another method is simply just write the values, but you have to add the values in orders. You can't add the values like first you add a name, then you add a id, then you add a class. So it's not working, then it give you error. So you have to add a value in a serial orders. Let's see that. Insert into employee and simply write values and then give the value name. So add serial wise. For example, I'm id 2, name Kanika, and then comma, and then give the row, give the class, then class 9th and roll number 199, and then simply close it and execute this line, and then simply execute this line. Now you can see that one row affected. Now again, in previous video we learned that how to see a table. So simply write select star. We use star for displaying all the columns in our table. Select. Say if you just only want to view your name, so you just have to, in the place of star you have to write your name. So select name from employee and then simply select it. Now you can see that only name column is visible to us. If you want to view your class, then simply write here class and then execute it. Now you can see that class is visible. And if you want your whole table to see, then simply write a star and then select it. Now you can see that ID, name, class, roll number all is visible. So this is the purpose of the star. I hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye friends.